Imagine lifting your grocery bags effortlessly, or playing with your kids or grandkids without feeling sore. Sounds great, right? It all starts with strong shoulders. Understanding shoulder strength involves focusing on essential and critical muscles such as the serratus anterior muscle, the trapezius muscles, the upper traps, middle traps, and lower traps. Each plays a crucial role in mobility and stability, whether reaching overhead or pulling objects closer. The practice is really simple. All you're going to do is slowly bring the arms up to the sky. Now, for some of you, this might be as far as you come, and that's okay. So if this is as far as you come, just imagine that you're kind of pressing up the arms and then slowly lower down. And do it again. So we hold each time for 6 seconds. You're going to bring the arms up, okay? And you're going to feel some of the back muscles engaging here and then come on down. So you normally do this for 6 seconds and do it 6 times. We'll do it one more time just for demonstration purposes, but please feel free to pause the video, go back and do this practice. 6 seconds, 6 times, okay? If you find that one arm is only coming here, but the other arm is coming up here, what I would suggest that you do is, for the time being, just bring both arms to that point, and that's where your range of motion stops, okay? Please don't force that other arm back. The second thing that we're gonna do is do the upper traps. Now, there's a few ways to engage upper traps. One of my favorite ways recently, and there's a few different ways, just do some shoulder shrugs. And so very slowly, shrug both shoulders up to the ears as much as you can. Just hold it there for 6 seconds and then lower back down. And then come on up. I know that some of you are thinking, WTF, and then come on down. What the heck is Aaron smoking right now? Shoulder shrugs? But let me ask you a question. When was the last time you did shoulder shrugs? And then do it again. So we'll just do it one more time just for this video. Again, go back, do them for 6 seconds and then 6 times, okay? The second way that you can actually activate upper traps is bring the arms a little bit forward, just a little bit, not too high, just a little, lift them up a little bit and rotate the arms in. Now, be careful not to shrug the shoulders forward. So don't really shrug the shoulders forward, just rotate in. And then lift the arms slowly, don't do this fast. Lift them slowly as high as you can. And as you're there, feel like you're pressing the wrist back a little bit and then shrug the shoulders. I do this all the time when I'm about to work out and it saves my shoulders. And then come on down. And I also deal with a lot with neck pain. One of the things about upper traps is that it supports your neck. When the upper traps aren't working, your neck's not getting support. Turn the arms in, bring the arms up, and then shrug the shoulders. And then lower down. Good. The next one is our middle traps. Bring the arms out to the sides, rotate the palms up, and even turn the palms back. So you're externally rotating that arm. So really feeling that, and you should already feel as if your shoulder blades are squeezing together, okay? And that's your middle trap starting to work. Isn't that great? It almost feels like a heart opener. What you don't want to do is coming into that back bend. So keep the spine neutral, lower the arms down. Bring the arms out, turn the palms up, externally rotate those arms, and bring the arm bones back. And then come back. Very good, my friends. The last one is my favorite one, and this is for lower traps. Okay, friends, so we're gonna bring the arms out in front of you to about 45 degrees. So if this is 0 and this is 90, half is 45. So make sure you kind of look at that, because sometimes people will bring them here. That's not half. here is half. And then you're going to drive the thumbs up towards the ceiling. And as you raise your arms, take the thumbs back. Now, if some of you are only here, or one arm is only able to go to here, keep them here, but feel like you are driving the wrist upwards, okay? So it's more intentional. And then lower down. And let's do it again. Bring the arms out and lift the arms up. You get to this point where you can feel the lower traps working. And that is wonderful because you'll start to feel them activating and starting to talk to your brain. And then lower down. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. These are some great exercises, some muscle activation practices to get your muscles working so you have stronger shoulders. Please let me know what you think about this practice. Are you dealing with shoulder issues? How can I help you? I would love to hear from you. Namaste, my friends.